Hello, and thank you for joining me today for a video presentation and walkthrough of a 1985 Westport 70 motor yacht. For complete specifications as well as many additional photos and descriptions, please go to waterlineboats.com or boatshedeverett.com. I'm Gretchen Miles. I'm a certified professional yacht broker, and I've personally been on board as well as gathered all of the information directly from the owner and taken all of the photos. So once you've had a chance to review all of the information, send me an email, Gretchen@waterlineboats.com, and we'll be sure to get you on board. In the meantime, let's jump on board and take a look at her. You have access to the upper deck, which holds additional adventure and excursion equipment. You saw a chest freezer just outside the galley door, which is the main companionway. Walking along the starboard side, you see the brightwork. The non-skid is in good condition. Your Loctite doors either side of the pilot house, and nice high molded stainless steel railings for safety. This boat has primarily been used as a Southeast Alaskan charter boat, so safety is very important. Also available though for you to use as a private recreational vessel if you'd like. However, if you are interested in the charter business, the business side is also for sale. It is owned in an LLC. I mentioned in my descriptions that the hull sides have been painted about 3/4 back. The front windows were resealed in 2024, so really giving you a look at the gleaming side of the hull and the nice bright work and how easy it is to walk along these covered side decks, whether deploying your fenders or just enjoying the view. Here we have the aft swim deck with a pot puller and plenty of room for paddle boards when they aren't stowed up on top. Nice dining table available for 6 people. U-shaped galley ready for the chef. Full-size fridge, convection oven, standalone oven, radiant heat, 4-burner stove, trash compactor, loads of counter space and storage. Service for complete charter service. You have your buffet and wet bar, and then actually a very nice salon seating arrangement focused towards the wood-burning fireplace and entertainment center. In my descriptions, I do suggest that the settee is available as another berth, double berth. Moving to the pilot house, I want to show you the inside of the sealed windows to assure you that there are no further intrusion of water. Close-up of the helm station. Granted, the electronics are a little dated. However, there is also a new desktop Lenovo computer that runs the Nobletech software. Nice lounge area for people to enjoy keeping the captain company, and a private captain's desk. So, moving aft, and then again, nice look at the guest entertainment spaces. And as I mentioned, this boat has been used as a charter in Southeast Alaska, so this area is really quite nice. It is a quiet respite area for the guests. There are 3 full ensuite guest cabins. First, we have the cabin that has a double bed. Each one has a separate TV, so everybody can enjoy their own entertainment. The ensuite head is available either through a private door or here we are through the companionway. Forwardmost is a V-berth arrangement, stacking berths to port and then a separate to starboard and a sweet little settee. And again, an ensuite head. Each one has a separate standalone shower. Our third stateroom, the sink is separate from the toilet and shower facilities, and again, a nice, comfortable double bed. Now, here we are into the crew quarters, which is approached behind the buffet and wet bar. Furthest forward is the captain's quarters. It's a large single, but a private area for the captain. This head arrangement has a private toilet and then a sink with a tub and shower. And actually this is shared between the captain's quarters and crew 1. Crew 1 does have a separate sink and then stacking bunks, plenty of storage. Moving further aft, we have crew 2, which has a separate shower, separate toilet area, and a separate sink, juxtaposing berths, and storage as well. And across from crew 2, we have the utility room, which has additional pantry space, stacking dryers, and a top-loading, very large washer, beautiful large utility sink. And then this is the workshop area, which is just outside of the engine room. But of course, no video walkthrough is really complete without a walkthrough of a tremendous engine room. You have your smaller 10 kW auxiliary generator underneath the workbench. Wonderful access to both sides of both Scania 360 horsepower engines. Great access to all of the wiring and electrical. Easy to change your water maker filters. Monitor your exhaust system. The main generator is a Northern Lights and fully enclosed. And again, just wanting to give you a sense of the space and the ease of being able to move around this engine room. And this concludes our video walkthrough, and thank you again. My name is Gretchen Miles. This has been a video of a 1985 Westport 70 motor yacht. For complete specifications, additional photos, and descriptions, please join me at waterlineboats.com or boatshedeverett.com. I look forward to hearing from you, and don't hesitate to drop me an email. Thank you. Talk to you soon.